My name is Magdalena and my role during my industry placement was a zookeeper assistant.
My name's Zoe Cropper and I'm the lead bird and reptile keeper here at the zoo. So Noah's Ark Zoo Farm has a collaboration with Western College, supporting their students, offering learning opportunities and a lot of practical hands-on experience.
I found my industry placement to be very rewarding. I got to learn a lot from experienced professionals in the field.
So Magdalena had a really great effect on the zoo. Not only did we have the opportunity to teach her new skills, but actually it was fantastic watching my team develop a new young person in the industry, and we're all so proud of her. So it's a brilliant thing. And then day to day, she was really vital. She supported us on the day that she was with us. She had all the responsibilities that we would expect from a junior member of staff. We would communicate with her throughout the day of what needed doing, from cleaning enclosures to working with our birds of prey, to preparing enrichment, preparing diets. Everything that goes into a zookeeper, she was doing.
I also got to develop my confidence working with different very interesting species that I would have never otherwise gotten to work with.
Since Magdalena's industry placement with us, I've really seen her grow into a confident person. Not only did she develop a lot of skills in how to look after zoo animals, but also a lot of personal skills like teamwork, public speaking confidence.
I struggled a bit at the start with my confidence and communicating with the keepers and working in a team. I feel that those skills have definitely improved in me.
A really funny story always pops into my head of something that Magdalena struggled with was having the confidence to call the birds to her during bird of prey displays. And she was very quiet and very timid, whereas when you're flying birds in front of up to 300 people, the bird needs to hear you.
I had to project my voice, which I struggled with.
And so after display, I got Lena to stand on our hill that overlooks the entire zoo and shout the bird's name at the top of her lungs. And then I saw that confidence and that fun that we had go into the next displays, and yeah, she just transformed. It was brilliant.
I found that my supervisor as well as the team in Noah's Ark were all very supportive and have encouraged me a lot and helped me to get a better understanding of the industry, and they were all very happy to answer any questions that I had and openly share their own experiences in this field.
We were there not only as mentors but also as friends. We supported her with the day-to-day and taught her what she needed to do, answered any questions that she had, and also tried to really support that confidence. I think that was a big thing for Magdalena.
I would like to add that I am very grateful for the opportunity to do this industry placement at Noah's Ark. I've been able to grow a lot, both professionally and personally, so I found the experience to be very rewarding and very worth it.
It's great to have a connection with the wider community and also the connection with the next generation of animal carers and animal lovers, and being really involved in that is really fulfilling. Magdalena is growing. It's really great to see her confidence grow every time we catch up and every time I see her, and I can't wait to see what she does in the future.